going on? It is, what day is it? It's Saturday morning, time for a ride, and more importantly, I got AirPods in, and my helmet covers the little microphones, so we might be in with a winner here, and I'm pretty excited. I'm going to test these out today, and there's way more exciting stuff that's going to happen today, and it's not going to be headphone related, it's going to be bike related, so you need to check this out. Stay tuned because this is exciting. Guys, make sure you follow me on all the socials so that you know what's going on. Those of you that already do probably already know what's happening, but make sure you follow me and you'll be up to date with all the haps. I gotta say, so far so good with the AirPods. I think they're going really well. However, my back is feeling very pinchy. I got stronger anti-inflammatory drugs yesterday. Hopefully it feels a bit better. Today's the first real test with them, so let's hope they work. The back is super niggly, so I'm just cruising, just testing it out, hoping it loosens up. Normally takes about half an hour, so I'm gonna keep persisting. Okay, so I've made a plan in my head. I'm going to go to the gateway. I'm gonna do one like up and back, and then see how I feel after that. Just easy spinning, high cadence, no load on my lower back. I'm not going to be pushing through there, so sitting right back in the saddle and pushing down using as much power as I can without hurting my back. So that's the plan. It's really frustrating. It's just frustrating because it feels better on the bike than it does when I'm just walking around, but it does still hurt, so it's just annoying. My physio has told me it's fine to continue riding, and I've just got to be really diligent with my exercises and everything with the painkillers. Burnt out car. Yeah, right. I'ma show you motherfuckers coming up to like the first hill before the gateway, so it'll be good to test how my back's feeling going up there. It's starting to feel like it's okay, but it's sort of just like a little bit pinchy, but it's still sore. It's really annoying me. It's going well. Back feels okay. Gotta keep it in the right position, extending your spine and keeping nice and flat rather than bent over. But it's going well. Run, motherfucker, run, run. So my FTP test, I did that at Nunda. I went around the track. So yeah, I didn't do it on the trainer. Everyone was asking me, did I do it on the trainer or did I do it outside? I think there is a difference on the trainer versus on the road, but in my experience using the trainer, it's only ever been out by 5 or 10 watts. It wasn't massive, so the people that have commented saying that it was out, theirs was out massively, so I don't know what trainer you're using, but yeah, mine I don't believe that mine would be out that much on the kicker, so I don't know, I might do an FTP test on the kicker eventually, but I'd rather do it on the road, and maybe in Adelaide, Nathan was talking about doing it up the highway climb, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it cheating to do your FTP test up a hill? Because I mean, you got the gradient to work against, and you've got, you know, like, so you have to push more power, but I guess watts are watts. But Steve and I both believe that if I was to do a 20-minute climb, my FTP would be so much higher. Well, not so much, but like, you know, I think it'd be up in the like mid 250s for the average power for the 20 minutes. So it might be like 4.3 watts per kilo rather than 4.1. So I don't know. We might have to do it up a hill one time, because I think that I think that it would definitely be higher. It's harder to push watts on a flat when you're a light rider. I'm only 56 kilos, so pushing high numbers on a flat is so much harder for me. So. But yeah, just wanted to clarify that with you guys, that I did the FTP test on the road around a crit track. So I'm going to head back up to the gateway and get a donut from 7-Eleven. It's still super early. It's only 6:30, so I don't know. I don't know where else I'll ride. Stuff like this, sick. Steve. This is going to be my bike for TDU and for the remainder of 2017. Oh, 2018. But as I said, the Willia will be crit bike, so it's all just semi-retired bike, semi-retired. What do you reckon?
Yep.
Progress. 2 cables have to go in. They've gone in and out about 3 times now because the outer was too long. But anyway, the zips are on. I think they look pretty sick. Do you reckon they look sick?
They look pretty sick.
So, shifters. Bar tape's going to be green. And this is going to be something else.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. I'm here at V1 Cyclery picking out my new rig. Tossing up between orange Cannondale, blue Cannondale and the green Cannondale. And maybe the fluoro, whitewash, purple Cannondale too. That's the special edition one. So yeah, so we got this. Oh, what's up man?
Oh, hey man.
Welcome to my channel.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Oh man, what's your channel called?
The channel is called Brizzy from Neil.
Is it just Neil from Brizzy?
Oh yeah, it is. Neil from Brizzy. No, it's not. It's just my full name.
Neil Woodwards.
Yeah. Oh, hang on. I'm not even watching it. It's dark as.
Hi. 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 Are we live? No. There's no right. There's no light.
Oh.
Oh, is it because you get set?
Oh,
yeah,
I see now.
Yeah.
You know, the trick is you got to look at the lens and not the camera.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, seen. So what do you think, Woody?
Yeah, I like it. How's your bike going?
Yeah, good. Did that snap the front derailleur?
Yeah. So
That's good. So I can't change gears.
No. Yeah, because just to give you an update, Chucky broke his front derailleur, so he's bought 2 new extra bikes.
2 bikes. Yes.
This guy, he's always buying bikes.
Loves bikes. Yeah. Have you seen M's bike? Go see M's bike.
Yeah, let's have a look at M's bike.
We'll put it this way.
You right then?
Yep.
You know why he needs one of these?
Oh, I reckon.
Yes.
You can touch your bike.
So you'd actually put, man, you pretty much put a sleeping bag in that one.
I think so. This is the large size seat bag, black. I think that would look very good.
Yeah, do you reckon? Like under here?
Do it.
For sure.
What else can you put on? Yeah, look at that's so pro.
Yeah, for
That's
sure.
great.
Actually, it goes that way.
I've actually seen people at Muzz buy with saddlebags.
Here you go, Chucky.
And then what you need is one of these.
Oh, top shed bag. Do you know what?
Yeah.
I actually have one of these.
Yes.
And I used to put my camera in it.
There you go. So that's when
Bike packing. That's what I'm going to do indie pack with. Just this. I'm going to put everything I need in this.
Yeah.
To do indie pack. True story.
True. You heard it here first. Yeah, well, check this out. This is the future of cycling. Everything here is pretty much wireless except for the brakes. But check this out. Wireless, no cables. Wireless, no cables. Cables. See, look, there's no cables here. Normally there's like 50,000 cables there, but it's all clean now. Yeah, anyway, that's it from me. Please subscribe. Please hit that like button. And I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace.
Anyway, all jokes aside, this is my new bike. This, just here. well, it's not a new bike, but all the stuff on it is new, and I'm pretty keen to ride this thing tomorrow on our muffin roll. Neil just took over the vlog. Very, very good job he did with that. But yeah, nah, super excited about my bike. I think the green bar tape looks really cool, and yeah.